Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the main flex connector on the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic upright tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Next, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, verify the SIM tray is out and then disconnect the fingerprint power button connector plug. Next, undo 15 screws in the mid frame. Next, take out the mid frame from the body. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the not working motherboard flex from the body. First, disconnect the main flex from the logic board and the charging port board, and then free the cable. Next, place the new main flex and secure plugs to the logic board and the charging port board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place the mid frame and secure the fingerprint button connector plug and then the SIM tray. Next, secure the frame by adding 15 screws. Verify all the mid-frame clips are properly fastened before inserting the screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.